Michiaga na fonia, misaso chia Kesben ejuma e fonia. Tony Midase. And drag game no na game a very tough MIN. E wo yanka say efie. Champions ni betete e wo efie, but in all no, I think say it was a very good game for me as a player and for us as a team. Very good game, very difficult game. I'm fun easy, but at least at the end, share. But good game, very good game. And me personally, I think I had a good game because me Fimuno at the 85th minute, everybody was happy, everybody was clapping for me. Obi abon say mommy, even Elali, your opponent, technical bench, Omunia was clapping for me. They were very, very happy for me. So I think say good game. And then more sa some morning I see So and lastly before I go, person me wish my former club Kumasi Asante Kotoko all the best league Ghana Premier League Kosunimu. They have won their first match. Yes, I'm right. They have won their first match. And your bumper is ever continuous. Your bumper is a show more than matches are cow winning on Beku Asante.